On this video I'll show you how to convert USD Tether into Gala tokens or Gala coins. On this video I'm using the OKX exchange. You can sign up for free with OKX using the link in the description. That will also give you a bonus by using my invitation link there, and makes no difference to you in how you use OKX, so do take advantage of that bonus. By the way, also subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning how to make more money from your money, either in crypto or high yield investments. That's what my channel is all about. So let's jump in and show you how to convert some USD Tether into Gala token. So I'm on the assets page at the moment with OKX, and you can see I've got some USD Tether here, 41,000 USD Tether. And so what I want to do, I go to the trade section and I'm just wanting basic trading. That's what this video is about, just a simple version. So we go on to basic trading. That brings us through to the trading page here. And what you'll need to do is select the market you want to trade. Now it automatically comes here at Gala USDT. But you can type it in here, this search crypto pairs. It's gone back to Gala USDT because that was the last one I was trading. But if you want to just type the search in, you would go Gala. So you can see we've got Gala USDT, Gala USDC. So those are the two different currency exchanges that there are with an OKX, and you want the Gala USDT. So you click on that, and you'll see nothing changed on this because I was already on the USDT to Gala exchange. And we've got a chart here which shows I'm in trading view. We can go back to the original as well, so you can see here the original chart, and you've got the time frames here. So each one of these candles represents 1 hour of time. If we go to 4H, that means 4 hours. 1D is 1 day, and we can see at the moment, if we just look at this 1 day chart, for the last, where we're going back to there, 17th of April through to today, which is the 7th of June, we can see how the price has come down there. Now, in particular, I'm interested in buying Gala at the moment anyway, because they've got their big Galaverse convention in Malta. Some huge announcements have already been made, and I think there's going to be some more, but let's go in and show you how to get this trade. So I'm just going to go back to the 15-minute chart so I get a slightly closer view of where things are at. And beneath the actual candle chart, if you scroll down the page here, you can see here are your two options, either to buy Gala or to sell Gala. So if you're buying Gala, you're converting your USDT. So now you can see I've got 8,000 USDT, and it's telling me the maximum I can buy at this current price of 0.07991 USDT. That would give me 100,000 Gala if I wanted to use all my USDT. Now what I can do, I can put in either a set amount of Gala. So I could say, well, I want to buy 10,000 Gala tokens, 10,000 Gala coins. It then tells me at that price where I'm wanting to buy, that would cost me 799.1 USDT. So that's one option, to put in the amount of Gala I want. The next thing I can do, I could say I want a certain amount of USDT. So let's say I wanted to spend 1,000 USDT. Therefore, again, at this price, it's saying I could get 12,514 Gala tokens, Gala coin. So you can select whichever way you want to do that based on either your USDT value or your Gala coin of what you want. There's also this scroll bar here. So if you wanted to use all your funds available, you can go to 100%. So in other words, all my 8,032 USDT, which would give me just over 100,000 Gala. Or you could say we'll have 50% and so on. So you've got these three different methods of setting how much USDT to Gala you want to convert. Let me just go back and check the price. We're at 7,969. So we're unlikely to be able to buy it at we can't buy it at 7,991 because the current price is 7,982. Actually, we could, because this is a higher price, so therefore our bid would be accepted. So for the interest of this video, I'm going to say I want to buy 10,000 Gala coin, so just under $800, and I'm going to not set a take profit or stop loss. I just want to click on buy Gala. So it's converted my USDT, 799 of it, into Gala. We click on buy, and it flashed up here that order was filled, and that's because the price was attractive for buying Gala. We put in an offer above the current price at the 79.85, If I change this and say, well, I'm willing to buy, let's say I'm only willing to pay 0.078 of a USDT for each Gala, and I wanted to buy 10,000. If we click on Buy Gala Now, we can see that this order is sat in the open orders waiting to be filled because no one's currently offering to sell their USDT at 0.078. And so what I'm just simply showing you there is your order will sit here until the price matches, and then your order will get filled. And you can check your orders in order history, so you can see those. But that's essentially how you convert your USDT into Gala token or Gala coin using OKX. I hope you found that video useful. Do feel free to post any comments, any questions you have, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, a chance to win some free stuff, plus also learn how to get your money working for you. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.